Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue with the lesson HCF and LCM. And in this we are going to continue with the practice set 12. In the previous video we had solved the 5 sums from this practice set. Now we are going to solve the further sums. In the previous video we have taken two numbers and learned to find their HCF. Now from this sixth sum we are having three numbers, and now let's learn how to find the HCF of the three numbers. Okay. So here our question number 6 is, we have the sum 18, 32 and 48. That means we have to find the HCF of 18, 32 and 48. Isn't it? So now we will see by which number are these three numbers divisible. Okay. All these three numbers, by which number are they divisible? We are going to find out. So the first prime number in our list is 2, isn't it? So first we will check whether they are divisible by 2 or no. Now just check at the units place of 18. We have 8, isn't it? Is 8 divisible by 2? Yes, that means 18 is also divisible by 2. Now 32. What is at the units place? We have number 2 at units place. 2 is divisible by 2. Therefore 32 is also divisible by 2. 48. What is at its units place? Yes, 8. 8 is divisible by 2. That means 48 is also divisible by 2. So in this way we can understand that all the three numbers are divisible by 2. So we are going to use the first prime number, that is 2. See children, all the three numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. So we are going to use this 2. So here we will write 2. 2 how much is 18? Yes, you all know the table. What is that? 2 9s are 18. So we'll write here 2 9s are 18. Now we will learn to divide 32 by 2. So see, 3 dozen comes. Which is the number at the highest place value? 3. 3 is not divisible by 2. But smaller number than 3, is it divisible by 2? Yes. What is that smaller number? 2. So we will write here 2 1s are 2. So from 3 when we subtract 2, we have 1. Yes or no? So side to this 2, we will write that 1. See, I'll show you 1. So now this number is 12. Is 12 divisible by 2? Yes. 2 6 are 12. So we'll write here 6. Okay. So 2 how much are 32? 2 16s are 32. Now we will divide 48 by 2. So first we will search for this 4. Is 4 divisible by 2? Yes. 2 2s are 4. That same number we are getting. So nothing is remaining. Now we'll go to the next number, that is 8. 2 4s are 8. Yes or no? So 2 how much are 48? 2 24s are 48. So here we have divided all these numbers which are black in color by 2. Yeah. So after dividing we have got the numbers. Those numbers are 9, 16, 24. Yeah. So now we'll check whether these numbers are divisible by 2. Is 9 divisible by 2? No. 16 is divisible? Yes. 24 is divisible? Yes. But 9 is not divisible, and second and third number is divisible. Yes. All are not divisible by 2. So we cannot use 2 here. Now we will check 3. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are. 3 8s are 24. Yes or no? But 16 is not divisible. So all three numbers are not divisible by 3. Therefore we cannot use. So now we will see the next prime number after 3, that is 5. Yes. So are these three numbers 9, 16 and 24 divisible by 5? No, because test of divisibility of 5 is at units place you need 0 and 5. But here you can't see 0 and 5 at units place. Therefore, these three numbers are not divisible by 5. Okay. So see children, 9, 16 and 24 do not come in any table. If you will see further. In 7th table also you will not have. 8th table, no. 9th table, no. So 9 was the last table because here 9 is the smaller number, isn't it? So these three numbers are not further divisible by any common table. So here we have to wait. Okay. So what will be our main answer now? Therefore we can write, therefore HCF of 18, 32 and 48 is 2. Are you understanding? Yes. So this part no need to write, which I have cancelled. So other remaining sum you are going to write in your CW after completing the 5 sums. Okay. So did you understand how to find the HCF of the three given numbers? So write it down now. Let us now begin with 7th sum, 57, 75 and 102. So here we have the three numbers 57, 75 and 102. I have written those numbers and taken. Now let us find the HCF of these three numbers. So just look at the units place of 57. We have 7, 75, 5 and 102, 2. Yes. So this 7, 5 and 2 are not divisible by the first prime number, that is 2. Only this 2 is divisible by 2. Other numbers, that is 7 and 5, are not divisible by 2. Thus all numbers are not divisible by 2. So we cannot use these numbers. Cannot use the first prime number, that is 2. Now let's move on to the next prime number, and the next prime number is 3. So our first digit is 57. Add the digit, it will give us addition 12. 75. Add the digit, it will give 12. 102. Add the digit, it will give us 3. Yes. Now if you will see this 12, 12 and 3, this all three numbers are divisible by 3. Thus, this 57, 75 and 102 is also divisible by 3. Okay. So now we will write here 3. So I'll write here 3. Now is 5 divisible by 3? No, 5 is not divisible by 3. But smaller number than 5? Yes, that is 3. So we will write here 3 ones are 3. So from this 5 we are only considering 3. Yeah, 3 ones are 3. So 2 numbers are extra. 5 minus 3, 2. That 2 is extra. We will write it above 7. So it becomes now 27. Is 27 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 nines are 27. So now we have got 3 19s are 57. Students, if you know the table till 20, then you can easily write here 3 19s are 57. Now we'll move on to the further number 75. So we will search for 7 in 3's table. We don't have 7 in 3's table, but smaller number we have. What is that? 3 2s are 6. So we'll write here 3 2s are 6. We have 7 here. 7 minus 6, 1. That 1 we will write above 5. So it will be 15 now. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 5s are 15. So children see, 3 25s are 75. Now we have 102. 1 will not be divisible because it is smaller than 3. Then we'll search for this 2-digit number 10. 10 we don't have, but smaller number we have. What is that? 3 3s are 9. But here it is 10. Yes. 10 minus 9, 1. So we'll write it above 2. This side you have to write. Left hand side of 2. So it becomes 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 4s are 12. So 3 34s are 102. So now this all three numbers were divisible by 3. And when we divided, we got the answers as 19, 25 and 34. Now we will check whether this 19, 25 and 34 are divisible by any common number or no. Okay. So now we will see further. Now if you will see our first number what we have got, that is 19. And if you have by hearted the list of prime numbers, you will understand that 19 is a prime number, isn't it? So 19 will be divisible by 1 and the number itself, that means 19. Okay. So 19 will come only in 19's table and in 1's table. Will other numbers, that is 25 and 34, be divisible by 19? No. So here we can understand that these three numbers do not come in one single table. So we have to stop here, isn't it? HCF means what? All the given numbers should come in one single table. But here what is happening now? 19 comes in 19's table. But 25 and 34 doesn't come in its table. So we cannot get all three numbers in one single table. So we have to write here, therefore, HCF of 57, 75 and 102 is 3. Got it? So here we have finished the 7th sum. Take the screenshot and complete the sum in your. Let us now begin with sum number 8. So I have selected this sum. So the sum is 777, 315 and 588. Yes. So we are going to find the HCF of these three numbers. So children, if you will see at the units place of these three numbers, we have 7, 5 and 8. So I have written it here. Can you see? 7, 5 and 8. Now, above this I have written the list of prime numbers. What is that list? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. From this the first prime number, what it is? It is 2. So are these three numbers 7, 5 and 8 divisible by these 2? No, 7 and 5 is not divisible. 8 is divisible, means 588 is divisible. These two numbers are not divisible. But what we have to find out, HCF. HCF means all these three numbers should be divisible. Then we will go to the next prime number. What is that next prime number? Yes, that next prime number is 3. Yes. So what we will do, we will take those three numbers and we will add them. So what is our first number? 777. Add it. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. Next number is 315. Add those numbers. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Next number is 588. Add these three numbers. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. Yes. So the third number is addition is 21. So students, if you will see, then 21, 9 and 21. These three numbers, are they divisible by 3? Yes, they are divisible by 3. If they are divisible by 3, then 777, 315 and 588 are also divisible by 3. Okay. So here we will write the number that is 3. Okay. So now we will divide the given numbers by 3. Okay. So what is our first number? Yes, our first number is 777. Okay. That number we will divide by 3. Will you have this 7 in 3's table? No. But smaller number than 7? Yes. What is that? 6. Yes. So 3, how much is 6? 3 2s are 6. One number is extra, isn't it? That we will write side to this 7. So it will become 17. Okay. Now, is 17 divisible by 3? No. 17 is not divisible by 3. Then the smaller number? Yes. What is that? 15. We have to write here 3 5s are 15. 15 means two numbers are extra. Yeah, 16, 17. That two numbers, 2 is extra, no? So we'll write here. It becomes 27. So 3 9s are 27. If you don't know division how to do here, you can go in your books, open the page, or on a rough page you can carry out the division and find out this answer. Okay. Those who have understood can do it here itself. And those who have not understood will practice it. You will surely understand it. So now the next number is 315. So the first number at highest place value is 3. So we'll search this 3 in 3's table. Will we get it? Yes. 3 1s are 3. Now nothing is remaining. We have here 1. But 1 is not divisible by 3. Does it comes? Yes, it comes 3 zeros are 0. Means what will remain? 1 will remain. Yes or no? So that 1 will write above 5. It becomes 15. 3's table, do we have 15? Yes. 3 5s are 15. So we have 105. Yeah. So 3, if you will multiply by 105, you will get the answer 315. Now we will move on to our next number. What is that next number? 588. Yeah. So first we will search for this 5 in 3's table. We will not have 5, but we have a smaller number, that is 3. Yeah. So we'll write here 3 1s are 3. From 5 we will subtract 3. We will have 2. Yeah. That 2 we will write here near this 8. It will become 28. Is 28 divisible by 3? No. But smaller number? Yes. What we can write here? 3 9s are 27. 1 is extra, no? 27. And if we subtract from 28, 1 will remain. That 1 we will write near 8. So it becomes 18 now. 3 6 are 18. So 3, if we will multiply with 196, we will get 588. So now all these 3 numbers are divisible by 3. Yeah. Now we will solve further. Just see here. Let us now find the number which is divisible by all these 3 numbers. Okay. So see, at units place of 259 we have 9. 105 we have 5, and 196 we have 6. Yes, so we have 9, 5 and 6 at units place. Our first prime number is 2. Are these numbers divisible by 2? Only 6 is divisible. Other all are not divisible. So we cannot use the first prime number 2 here. Yeah, because 259 and 105 are not divisible by 2. Only 196 is divisible by 2. Now next prime number, that is 3. What is the 3's test of divisibility? Add the digit. Yes, and if addition comes in 3's table, number will also come in 3's table. So now add the digit. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. Is 16 divisible by 3? No. Therefore, we can't use 3. If you will check further, 105, add the digit. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 comes in 3's table. 105 is divisible. But 259 is not divisible. So we cannot use 3 here. Okay. Next number no need to check only. Then 5. Are these 3 numbers divisible by 5? Only the middle one, 105 is divisible. Why? Because test of divisibility of a 5 is 0 and 5 should be at units place. Yes, in 105 only 0 and 5 are at units place. Other, no. So, we again cannot use 5. Now we will check whether 7 is divisible or no. So now see the numbers. What is our first number? Yes, our first number is 259. So children, which is the digit at units place? Yes, the digit at units place is 9. Yeah. So that digit we are going to multiply by 2. Then we get 18. Yes. So after multiplying the last digit by 2, the remaining digits, what are the remaining digits? 25. From 25, you will subtract 18. How much numbers will remain? 7. Yes. Then, just tell me, is this 7 divisible by 7? Yes. So, 259 is also divisible by 7. Now, the next number, what is the next number? 105. Last digit is 5, means units place. Multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. Remaining digit is 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Is 0 divisible by 7? Yes, 7 zeros are 0. So 105 is also divisible by 7. Now the last number, that is 196. Last digit is 6 into 2. 12. Remaining digit is 19 minus 12 will give us again 7. Is 7 divisible by 7? Yes. So 196 is also divisible by 7. So the next number, prime number, which we are going to use here is 7. So now the first or the biggest place value in 259 is 2. Is 2 divisible by this 7? No. So we will search for 25 in 7's table. Can we have 25 in 7's table? No. But smaller number? Yes. What is that smaller number? 7 3s are 21. What did I say? 7 3s are 21. We have here 25. 25 minus 21. Count after 21 till 25. 22, 23, 24, 25. 4 fingers are opening, isn't it? So that 4 we will write to the left hand side of 9. That is here. So it becomes 49. Is 49 divisible by 7? Yes, 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Students, if you are unable to do division here, at the place itself, you can do on the rough page or normal division and check the answer. Okay. Now, 105. 1 is not divisible by 7. So, we will check 10. Is 10 divisible? No, but smaller number? Yes. What is that smaller number? 10 ones are 10. 7 ones are 7. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 we will write here. 35. 7 fives are 35. Yeah. Next number is 196. So 1 is not divisible. We will search 19 now. Is 19 divisible by 7? No. Smaller number? Yes. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. That is 19 minus 14 is equals to 5. We will write. So we will write here. 56. Is 56 divisible by 7? Yes. 7 8s are 56. So here we have divided all the given numbers by 7. So now we are having 37. 37 is a prime number. Yes, 37 is a prime number. So it will just come in 37 and 1's table. Yeah. Now 15 and 28 will not come in 37's table. Then if you will see 15, 15 will come in 3's table. 37 will not come. Now if you will see 37, 15 and 28 do not come in one single table. So we have to stop here. Yes, that means therefore HCF of 777, 315 and 588 is 3 into 7, that is equals to 21. 3 sevens are 21. So now write down this 8th sum in your CW neatly in good handwriting, and after solving the 8th sum, so side I have written the 9th and 10th sum. You will write this, solve these two sums on your own. Before that all the 8 sums from practice set 12 should be completed, and then 9th and 10th sum you will write and you are going to find its HCF. Okay, so here we are going to finish practice set 12. Question 1. Okay. So I hope you are completing the books. So write neatly in your CWs.